I would appreciate a walkthrough on Honda clutch replacement. My cable was adjusted all the way out when I began to chop. Okay, clutch replacement, that's all in your service manual. Clutch cable replacement is going to be service manual as well. It's pretty simple stuff. If you do need to replace your cable, put a new cable in. It's pretty easy. Just a couple nuts. Adjust it at the motor, adjust it at the lever. Make sure you have, you take a nickel. This is a cool little tip. Take a nickel, and when you pull your lever in, put the nickel in there and adjust the clutch until the nickel just gets held in. So if you loosened it a little bit, the nickel would fall out. That's approximately, it's a decent way to measure the play, I guess you call it, the slack on that clutch cable. So, and always, always, always lube your cables. I don't mean spit down the thing. I mean, get a bottle of lube, get an adequate cable luber, and lube the thing till it's pouring lube out the other end. I've seen so many people need cables, and I'm like, you just bought these like 3 months ago. What's wrong? They never lubed them. So if you don't lubricate them, you basically have steel cable rubbing on the inside of a steel sleeve. And I mean, if you just sit here and rub steel for long enough, you just go like this, eventually you're gonna wear some shit out. So imagine doing that all day riding. I mean, I've already put a nice little ding in this Allen wrench. Like, imagine what's going on with a cable. It has like little tiny threads of steel to hold it together. So make sure you lubricate those cables, everyone.